Boop, there we go. We in there. Feels out.
I'm always on time.
Hey, we'll see you
on time, boo.
Welcome to the show, goddamn. I want to welcome you to the No Filter show. You know
oh my God.
We're going to give our viewers a little bit of time, you know what I'm saying, log on this thing.
Yeah, give them some time. Give them some time.
Yeah. I say when something started at 8 o'clock, supposed to be at 7. Oh, she ain't got her little fancy cup. Oh, she ready.
Oh, please. I've been drinking this, boo. No.
She is ready. Well,
no.
Like I say, we're going to let them come how they come. You know what I'm saying? If they miss out on the conversation, they're going to miss out on the combo. But, like I say, it's No Filter, the vlogcast. You feel me? This is our very first model interview. Go ahead now, introduce yourself. Let them know what I'm saying, how you got into modeling, what other ventures you got going on. Then we're going to get into it from there.
Well, as you already know, I actually just got into modeling. I'm more into wigs and everything like that, but I'm trying to branch out. So, of course, that's why I'm coming on board with everybody. But, yeah, I'm really just trying to incorporate it more into my business because I know it'll help it take off. And I am ready to get into videos and doing things like that because that's just literally something I've always wanted to do.
Okay. I'll say it. So, like, did you start off just taking pictures of the phone? Like, say,
yep, just like every other girl. Take a
picture
picture on Instagram. All you gotta do is to take a real good Instagram picture, and once you get a few likes, like once you get to like 10 likes, you kind of a model, you know.
Okay. Right. Okay. I said, so what picture was it that you? It was like, damn, I was fucking model. What picture was it?
I don't know. See, it's been in my mind for a long time, but see, I had to I had to get it out because, of course, you already know I done went through my little weight loss and everything. Because I always wanted to model. I tried to model a long time ago, and it just was not working out. Like me in the camera and what I was producing, I didn't like. So I had to get to the point where I like what I saw. So now it's just like, oh, it's go time now because it just is, you know.
Okay, so now as far as like your booking and things like that, like I say, are you looking to be a brand ambassador, do music videos?
Yes, everything. So I definitely want to do brand ambassadoring because that is just something that's going to help any business. Being a business owner myself, I definitely know how brand ambassadoring can help. But the thing is, a lot of people like to be a brand ambassador but don't know what it takes to actually do it, because at the end of the day, you're supporting a person's dream. Like you actually have to go out there and put that product out there and make the person love it, so that you're actually selling it, which I actually have done brand ambassadoring before. It was for a young lady in Texas, and it was for my eyebrow stamp. She had created her own eyebrow stamp. So I would go live a lot and promote it for her. And it was really, really well, but we ended up branching off because she ended up doing something different. She didn't even keep the eyebrow stamp going up. But I have done brand ambassadoring before, and I know how serious it is, being that I have my own business. So, of course, I think that helps.
Okay, and if y'all don't know, this is also, you know what I'm saying, like a first lady for the North Fashion 919 line. So she is brand ambassador, you know what I'm saying, for our clothing line as well. So,
let's see, you got to speak to everybody who come in. So that way they feel like they're included.
You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this is our interview with Karma, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, Karma Doll. I don't know why you don't like to say my whole name. My name is Karma Doll.
Oh, my fault. I'm over here giving, you know what I'm saying, short names and stuff.
Yes.
This is Karma Doll. I gotta say it right.
Karma Doll.
Facts. Like she is a up and coming model.
Amen.
She's also a established business owner.
Yes.
Now we're gonna get into your business endeavors. You know
okay, get in my business. Total weight.
So far, I see you have the boutique, and you also do the wig installation. So
okay, so let me explain. So I had two businesses for a while. So I had London's Doll House, which was a clothing boutique, and then I had Karma Doll's Wig Boutique. I learned shorthand real quick, like do not put a name on yourself. Like the Wig Boutique thing was just not what was happening. So I merged both of the businesses together, and that's why now I'm Karma's Dollhouse, which I do make custom units, and I also have my clothing a part of it too, which now the modeling will be just another part of it, the brand ambassador and everything. Like Karma Dollhouse is a brand. It's a company. Okay. So that's just what it is.
Okay. And how can they, like as far as the like so your boutique does it have a website where they can order things? Or?
Yeah, so on my website, it has everything. So it's going to have the listing for the clothing, listing for the wigs. I actually have a blog on there. So I'll have videos I'll be posting. So that way it'll be linked to my YouTube. Also, my Instagram is connected to my website. So that way everything is all in one, literally. So my website, everything is on there. And you can also set up a profile on my website so that way you can stay up to date on everything. So when I send out alerts or emails or sales or anything like that, you can also go on there, but it's all on there. You'll see it.
Okay. Like I say, well, as far as like no filter management goes, like I say, we do have some up and coming bookings for Karma Doll. Like I say, so y'all can be on the lookout for one of our first video shoots with artist Chubbo. Like I say, so like we got a tentative date with that, so we looking at January, March, April 10th.
April 10th. That's why Corona need to go ahead and do its thing so I can do mine.
Fact. Hey, but this Corona ain't stopping nothing. You know what I'm saying? The grind.
Right. Ain't stopping no bags. Period.
Facts. Like I say, so like I said, I'm excited to see the video. Yeah. Hey, how y'all doing? Hey.
He ain't paying y'all no attention. I got y'all though.
Oh my God.
I love my peoples.
I'm over here conducting an interview. You know, so I let you do the greetings and stuff like that. But I'm
ready to sign autographs.
Those who just joined, this is Karma Doll. You know what I'm saying?
Karma Doll.
Up and coming model, also a entrepreneur as well.
Yeah.
So like I say, before we wrap it up, like I said, we're gonna make sure we save this live feed and we're gonna transfer it over to our YouTube channel so y'all can check it out just in case y'all missed it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna upload it so y'all can view it and view it again, like and share, and make sure y'all.
He was on time. I was like, damn, he really trying to be on time.
Oh yeah. When I said 8 o'clock, I mean 7:50. You know what I'm saying?
I said, well, this nigga serious. Oh my God.
I see you was over there getting your little fancy look.
I know. I said, well, let me go put my lip gloss on, cause damn, I wasn't ready.
She had to put her face on, y'all. She had to put her face. Now, do you do makeup?
No, not yet. I actually have some things in coming, but I guess I need to shut up because Corona done fucked everything up. But no, I don't do makeup right now. No.
Okay. Let's say so. For even all our other models out there, let's say if y'all need, don't say that headpiece looking right, you know what I'm saying?
If you need your custom units, honey, right. Definitely.
Okay, shit, like I said, I'm bald, so I might fuck around and get a wig.
No, you can just model it. You can just put it on so they can see that.
For the
it's glueless. No, I'm gonna put you on the closure.
I'm saying, what about toupees? You can't do no toupees. So
I'm gonna put you on the closure.
I want a toupee.
I got you.
I bet. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm gonna be the brand ambassador for your shit.
Oh God.
So you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make the bald niggas look good. You know what I'm saying? The niggas that got receding hairlines. She gonna bring that shit back to life. You feel me?
Lord.
So now as far as like the wig installation, you know what I'm saying? Was there like a training you had to go through? Was it something like a natural talent?
Now with the wig installation, I actually learned that on my own. When I went into the shop last year, because I've actually only been installing wigs for a year now, a little over a year. So I went into the shop. I had already been making wigs, so I went ahead and put I was trying to see what it said. I went ahead and started doing free installs. So with the free installs, I just ended up learning how to really master it.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. Listen, have you been to any like I guess like fashion shows or like wig shows? I'm not sure what they call it.
The only thing I've been to is the Bronner Brothers. I went to Bronner Brothers last year and I went this year. But as far as like everything that I've learned with wigs and stuff, I taught myself. It was really trial and error. It was just a lot of fuck ups. So I just kept on going until I stopped fucking up, you know?
Okay, now being a black business owner, you know what I'm saying? What's some things that you feel, you know what I'm saying, us, you know what I'm saying, as a race, you know what I'm saying, need to improve on as far as like our
customer
marketing
service.
Customer service.
Customer service. If a person is spending their money with you, you have to understand that there's a million other people they can spend their money with. So when they bring it to you, be very grateful for that because they can take that shit somewhere else. And I think people forget that. And that's just with any fucking company. That's with big companies, small, especially with small. I don't think people understand that when you're small, bitch, you're small. So you need those clients. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't about, you know, kissing ass or doing stuff, but make them feel appreciated. Because, see, me and my dogs, we got to understand them. I love my dogs and they love me. So we be cool then. We really be just chilling. But I always let them know, like, I'm very appreciative when you spend your money with me. Because there's a million bitches who make wigs. But, of course, my wig is in mine, but still, you know what I'm saying? Like, they could have took that somewhere else. So the fact that you spent it with me, just show appreciation and customer service, getting back with people, even if it's a problem, knowing how to handle that problem the correct way. And just not always got to show your skin color. Black people, we just got to get better. We just got to get better.
You know what I'm saying? And I see you actually putting that, you know what I'm saying, to work. So I see like obviously customers.
Read my reviews, baby.
Yeah. I
read my reviews, baby.
You also then got international. You did a wing station.
Oh, I've been international. Actually, I went international. I've been international 4 times. I've been to Japan twice.
Okay.
And then I've been to the Virgin Islands, and then I also, this is so bad, I forgot the name. Give me a second, I'm gonna come back. But oh my God, that is so bad. Oh wait, it's the Kingdom or something. I'm gonna come back to it. But yeah,
it was the damn Kingdom. So we know that shit international. That's all I got. We know shit.
I cannot remember the name. It's the Kingdom of some shit. But yes, I've been international 4 times now, honey.
Okay, now I know as a business, I know that gotta be like a good feeling, like know your brand.
Hell yeah, that's a great feeling to know that you are a million, like literally miles and miles. Japan, I don't even know if I'll ever make it to Japan. I've been to Japan twice, literally. So stuff like that, just know that it's somebody way over there who can see me. It lets me know that for one, they watching. So definitely keep fucking going. And for 2, anything is possible. Like my shit in Japan, you can't tell me I can't be Beyonce. Like, nah, I can do what I want to do.
Okay. Now as far as like storefronts, like where are you from again?
Where I'm from?
Mm-hmm.
Where you from?
Oh, I'm from Duval County.
Me too.
Okay, you know. We gotta let the people know. The people might not know. You know what I'm saying? She's like, where you from?
I'm Jacksonville.
I feel like I got G checked this day.
I'm from
Jacksonville.
Don't say that. It's Jacksonville.
City girl at its finest. Now, when you open up like your future boutiques and things like that, is it something you wanna take over Duval first? You know what I'm saying?
No. See, that's the problem. Like, I'm so glad the world is so big because I kind of just want to take over the whole world. And I actually don't want a storefront. I want a mobile boutique because I'm gonna take myself on tour. Because see, I can't rap, so I know I can't be on stage. But I know I'm supposed to be on stage doing something and everybody there to see me. I just got to figure out what I'm supposed to be doing up there. I don't know yet. Okay. We're going to all figure it out together. But until then, I'm going to get a tour bus. And I'm going to do hair all over. And everybody's going to know who I am. I'm going to make you know who I am.
Facts. I know that's like stand on that. You know what I'm saying? So like I say, for our new viewers that's coming on, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to say it about 20 times. This is Karma Doll, you know what I'm saying? Up-and-coming model. Make sure I remember the name, Karma Doll.
Karma Doll.
Before we conclude this interview, we're going to make sure we give y'all the likes and tags, all her website information so where y'all can support her business. You know what I'm saying? It's black owned.
Right. Get y'all custom units. Now, not right now, though, because Corona just, I don't know, but in about 2 weeks, everybody get a wig. You get a wig, you get a wig, you get a wig, everybody get a wig.
She's the Oprah wig. She's the Oprah wig.
For right
you get
now,
a wig, you get a wig, everybody get a damn wig.
For right now, y'all have to put y'all bonnet on. I do have bonnets for sale if y'all need a bonnet though, because ain't no hell. It's a drought on wigs, okay? We are literally in a drought, ladies. We gotta stick together and we gotta let these niggas know it's a drought.
Facts. Hey, speaking of artists, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? One of the artists just joined Chubbo, you know what I'm saying? He got an upcoming video shoot.
Who is that?
Hit single. Chubbo, you know what I'm saying? That's one of RDU areas, you know what I'm saying? Hottest artist. He up and coming.
The so hottest? You say hottest? I gotta hear it. What he's saying? Hey, Chubbo, when you gonna release that little teaser for him? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we need to hear it, because you say he the hottest from where?
In the RDU area, you know what I'm saying? Period. For right now, then after a while, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be international. It's gonna be
Bobby, where you from?
Huh?
The who area? I ain't never heard of that.
The RDU area. Oh, that's Raleigh Durham. You know what I'm saying? If y'all know, that's the Raleigh Durham area. You know what I'm saying? So like I say, that's gonna be a name y'all remember too. Like I say, Chubbo. You know what I'm saying? Like this man has been pushing his music. You know what I'm saying? For years and years. You know what I'm saying? So like I say, it's just a matter of time. It's a matter of time. Is
he raw or not? Is he raw?
Oh yeah. You right now, I'm not finna endorse nothing that ain't got damn certified. Like I done been in the studio for his work ethic. You know what I'm saying? He getting there, knock out 3 tracks in 1 hour. You know what I'm saying? So the work ethic is there. So yeah, in an hour.
Oh, he must be on. Oh, wow.
Yeah. So they say so. You can check the TikToks he got. Fix Your Face drop Friday on all platforms. That's the name of the track. Fix Your Face.
Okay.
Fix Your Face. You know what I'm saying?
I gotta hear this.
You know
Do I get to hear it first, or do I
sure
gotta wait till Friday too? Since I'm on board with everybody.
Facts.
I gotta wait till Friday because I want to hear this shit.
Oh yeah, I don't even know. I'm gonna chop it up, bro. We might be able to give you a little early,
Mike, see, I don't like words like that. The fuck you mean, Mike, nigga?
What you mean? Oh my God, look, I gotta talk to the artist. You know what I'm saying?
Boy, you meant to say what's my email so he could send that shit.
Hey, bro,
I might not want to hear that shit Friday. I want to hear that shit now. The fuck?
Hey, yo, oh my! Look, can you just wait for my dog?
No.
He said we got you. We got you.
Period. I knew y'all did. I just wanted y'all to hurry up instead.
Like I say, he definitely gonna be. I don't want to give too much. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, he gonna be getting a little sneak peeks. You know what I'm saying? Via social media this week. You know what I'm saying? He got something special. You know what I'm saying? We gonna say around April 10th. You know what I'm saying? He got something special cooking up for y'all. So y'all, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, like I say, one hand watch, like I say, no filter management, you know what I'm saying? We got artists, you know what I'm saying? We got models. You know
we ain't got no more models though.
Oh yeah. This is the first day of modeling right now. You know what I'm saying?
That shit is out. You hoes gotta go.
She got my inbox jumping right now. I ain't
never a hell no.
Had so many DMs.
Listen, we gonna have some models, but we gonna have to go through training class.
I'm talking. She got friends mad at me, asking why I ain't got them, put them on. Like, it's crazy, bro.
Oh Lord,
it's crazy. But yeah, like I say, we gonna keep pushing it, man. Like I say, so just like I say, everybody platform, like one hand watch the other. You know what I'm saying? We all entrepreneurs out here, so we'll say the artists, you know what I'm saying, will help the models can help the artists, you know what I'm saying?
I'm
so we gonna keep pushing.
Y'all can't help me. I'm gonna help y'all.
Oh my God. If y'all can't tell already, the conceitedness is real, bro. Oh my
I got y'all though.
Oh,
we finna make it, y'all. We finna
I'm saying, so for the first video, you doing your own wig, right? You doing your own installation.
I'm gonna do my own wigs for all them bitches. What you talking about?
Okay. They better be on fleek because I like the pants. You know what I'm saying? You got
this my Corona wig. This is just because it's a drought. I just told you it was a drought. Now you ain't hear me.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Soon as the vendors open up, nothing but lace.
We gonna see. Hey, y'all make sure y'all order y'all wig installed. You know what I'm saying? So I can hear from y'all. Y'all let me know what it's hitting on. Because if it ain't hitting on nothing, we gonna
it's just like crack, baby, when it first touched down.
Facts. Hey, my boy Junior just logged on. What's up, bro? Hey, lad. Hey, lad. Yes, sir. Like I say, man, we got some everything. Like I say, Karma gonna be on the road a lot. She don't even know. You know what I'm saying? She gonna be taking flights, taking trains.
I do know.
You know what I'm saying? I say ain't gonna be no sleep 2020. Then this 2020 ain't gonna be no sleep.
This is my rest right here. I'm already energized. So what you talking about?
I bet. We gonna see. We gonna see. Like I say, for booking, hit me up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, don't inbox me because I don't know.
Make sure y'all come cash app ready. You know what I'm saying? I do not answer inquiries. You know what I'm saying? If the bag ain't talking, I'm not listening. You know what I'm saying? So
and I sure couldn't hear it.
Especially
not right now. It's a drought.
You know if you want these beautiful ladies in your video, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, you gotta pay the price. You know what I'm saying? They gotta eat too. You know what I'm saying? They got a brand. They got support. We do not do freebies. You know what I'm saying? So like I say. That's why I gotta recommend as artists. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all have, you know what I'm saying, the finance, everything in order. You know what I'm saying? That way you can have the models, the cars, everything, boom. You know what I'm saying? Or you can just hit up No Filter Management. We're gonna take care of you. At 919-333-0219.
Who is that?
We're gonna get somebody over there.
Who is boss man, bitch? What it is?
Oh, that's Lauren.
No, your ass done came a long way. I don't like people say that. What that mean?
That mean you done came a long way. The hell?
Yeah, no, because I always was the shit.
Hell no, you wasn't. No, you wasn't, baby.
You lying? Okay, I probably was a little ugly, but
baby, that scalp used to be dry, baby.
You lying?
That scalp was dry one time.
I always had good wigs on.
Nah, she knows she ain't lying. Now, I done known you for a long time, and I done seen you at your worst. All I'm saying is, they used to be in the band, y'all. I'm talking about them wigs wasn't always on point. You know what I'm saying? It took a lot of skill and craft. You know what I'm saying?
Boy, first of all, what?
Second of all, oh, no, the fuck
I don't even need no wig. What did you talk about?
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. This interview is over. Oh, my God. Bro.
Because I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
We finna cut the commercial. Oh, my God. Them wigs be doing a lot because at this point, y'all catfish.
Don't
Y'all is
see,
cat
that's how you
like
lying.
motherfuckers.
I could be in a video just like this. You lying. My damn babe, listen, y'all, my edges keeps poking out.
She ain't pretty without that wig. Hey, baby, put that wig back on. No, so we conducting the interview. We is conducting the interview. She's talking about.
Boy, fuck that wig. And fuck you too.
Tipping.
What you drinking?
Who need a wig? I don't know what y'all be talking about. Y'all crazy.
I mean, they saying you.
Cause these niggas gonna love you either way, with or without it.
Oh my God. Hey, but it's raw, it's uncut, and it's definitely no filter on this. This is definitely no filter on this motherfucker. Dang!
I'm just playing, Lauren. You know I'm retarded.
Could you please
They talking about wow. Hold on, what the fuck you mean? Wow, what? Wow,
oh
what?
my goodness. Dude, hey, look, I need y'all to not to gas her up more than she already gassed. Matter of fact, I'm gonna call her Karma Propane. I'm gonna call
now,
her
if I take
propane.
this cap off, that's when we really gonna have to end this shit.
You take that bitch off, I'm talking about boop, boop, boop.
Over. And I ain't gonna take it off.
But we appreciate you keeping it, you know what I'm saying, raw, you know what I'm saying, for all the dogs out there, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, hold on, let me go get my motherfucking bonnet though. Hold on. See, this too much.
Oh my goodness. This is our first, you know what I'm saying, IG live interview, you know what I'm saying? We definitely have to keep these things going, you feel me? Because like I say, it's a lot more raw on this.
Hold on, cause see, I'm so motherfucking raw. Hold on. I want y'all to
Not the bonnet. Oh my goodness.
No, hold on,
Baby,
not just the bonnet, baby.
Oh, okay. Look at maybe her custom made bonnet. Now that's entrepreneurship. That's
Period. I don't know what you
what's the
talking
word,
about.
innovativeness? Okay, I see you. I see you.
Period.
I can see a whole bunch of niggas jumping in them DMs after this interview.
Yeah.
Facts. Like I say, y'all gotta make sure y'all cash app ready. If y'all want to take a picture, cash app ready. If you want to be in a video, cash app ready. You need that wig, cash app ready.
I told you.
Oh my goodness. I can already see when the motherfucker got their fame come. It's over.
What you mean come? Nigga, I've been famous. I'm just ready for y'all to understand.
Oh my God, right?
I can't wait for y'all to catch on. I'm seriously.
We in the presence of a celebrity right now, y'all.
Yeah, I don't even know what y'all talking about. I'm be like, oh, y'all just knew me? Shit.
They talking about bow down, bitches. Oh my goodness.
Whatever you gotta do, shit.
Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, look, like I said, man, y'all be on the lookout, you know what I'm saying, for these upcoming projects we got. Like I say, Chub Off Gang is dropping Fix Your Face on all platforms Friday.
I want to hear that shit tonight.
You know what I'm saying? Karma Doll will be in the video, so y'all be on the lookout for that. We got a lot of photo shoots coming, a whole lot of, you know what
You
I'm saying,
can get a wig, Lauren.
you know what I'm saying? But like I say, we're gonna do some editing on this video. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I can add her social media platforms and her website so y'all can check out all of her boutiques and wig installation, all the price and everything like that. But you got anything, you know what I'm saying, to let the people know before we let them go?
Hell no.
Oh my goodness. Like I say, it's raw, it's uncut, and it's definitely no filter. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all go like and subscribe. If y'all viewing this and y'all ain't like and subscribe the YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying?
Y'all ain't real.
Right now.
Y'all ain't really.
I appreciate you coming, dog. We appreciate
Y'all
it.
welcome. Boop, boop, boop.